Hi friends, how are you? I hope you're all fine. Today we are going to draw a rabbit using the number 200. So let's start the drawing here. So first we draw 200. This is 2 and the 0 here. Another 0 here. 200. Let's put a circle on it and connect it here. These two are the ears. This is the one and this is another one. Let's do a little more detail. Now we are going to put the eyes. Here are the eyes. This is nose. We are doing little more detailing and the nice teeth here. All right. Little bit more detailing here. We see left side and on the right side. So front two legs are here. This is getting visible. Front two legs. Now we're going to draw the body. This is actually the body. And the rear legs here and a little tail. It looks like rabbit, right? So the drawing is not so complicated. This is easy. The rabbit is sitting on the ground. So drawing the ground. To make the drawing more interesting, we can do the sketching effect over the drawing. We can put some shades. So it's getting a 3D effect. The more we do the detailing, the more it's getting better and better. It looks more alive than previous one, right? As you see, the rabbit has two big ears. It's look cute, isn't it? So the head is almost done. Now we'll do some work on the body too. When we put some shades here, it's getting more interesting. It looks like the rabbit is directly looking to us. That's funny. So the drawing is done. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video and this drawing, please like, share and subscribe. Tell your friends and family members about it, and put the bell icons on so that you can get any update whenever we put a new video here. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good day.